Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. To get started, we'll need to turn it off, so I'm going to swipe down on our home screen. So once again, and this will show us our power button on the bottom, click on it, and then select power off. When the phone turns off, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. And there we go. This will automatically takes us to boot mode. Now this could also be classified as a fast boot mode, but it's basically one and the same. So there we go. Now we have a couple options in here which we navigate through using our volume buttons up and down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected right here. So quickly going over the options, start will take us back to our Android. Then we have restart bootloader, which does absolutely nothing because we already are in a bootloader. Then we have recovery mode, which takes to, like this name suggests, recovery mode. We have power off, which will just simply turn off the device. Boot logs, barcodes, and we're back to start. So there we go. Those are all the options. So I'm going to just confirm this one, and this will now take me back, like I mentioned, back to the Android. And as you can see, we are now back. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.